was looking for someone to help me with my wardrobe at this time to update it. I felt like I was in kind of a conservative rut, and I wanted a trusted opinion who could help me move through that and bust some paradigms. Shopping was something that I did because I had to. Often I would go shopping without a real solid plan. I felt like I was wasting time or spending time that I didn't have. Shopping with Patti was fun, it was focused, it was productive, all of the things that I wasn't doing when I was shopping independently before Patti. Getting my makeup done was probably one of the best parts of this makeover, getting a refreshed new look, some new colors, new application techniques. It was awesome. Shopping for glasses was surprisingly fun. I haven't shopped for glasses for a long time. Going with Patti opened up my eyes, it opened up my options. I tried on glasses that I definitely wouldn't have tried on before. And I was very surprised that it came down to choices. I was surprised that we were able to find more than one that was really suitable, really fun, really fit the mark, so it was great. The closet cleaning was so freeing, it was so great. I think I had a lot of good clothes, but I had a lot of stuff there that no longer worked. And with working with Patti, there was a trusted opinion. There was someone that could say yes or no. It made sense. Now it's so much lighter, it's so much easier to go through there. I love it. The photo shoot was great. The photo shoot is nothing I ever would have thought of before. I would have never booked this for myself if Patti hadn't recommended it. And what I can tell you, if you're thinking about doing this for yourself, whether it's personally or whether it's professionally, I'd highly recommend it. This is a way for you to show yourself to the world even when they don't know who you are yet.